Hey, what is going on, guys? Today we're doing a double unboxing followed by a double review because these are Bandai's latest two HGs from the Origin, which are once again variations of the Zaku. Now, I actually wasn't planning on getting these, but these were very kindly sent to me by Zaku II. Zaku II is a shop in the Philippines there, but they do ship worldwide, so you can check out their site link there down below. They did also want me to let you guys know that they are currently having a clearance sale as well, so you can check out that. They're pinned on their page. So especially those of you living in the Philippines, but outside the Philippines as well, just take a look at their site if you feel so inclined. That'll be down there in the video description. They also sent me a couple things though before we get to the unboxing. They also sent me this MG Blitz Gundam, so they actually asked me to pick something from their site, whatever I wanted. So this is actually what I picked out. This is what I wanted to get. It's a kit that I wanted for a long time, but I've never gotten around to getting, so I'll do an unboxing and review of this in the near future. I just wanted to get to the Zaku's first because they're a recent release, and we'll get to that soon. But they also sent me this cool t-shirt as well. This is just from their site, so it's just Zaku Seibu t-shirt here. Pretty awesome design on the front of this. You guys can check that out. It's got this cool logo here on the back as well for them. So there you go. Pretty dope t-shirt. Thank you guys very much for that. So yeah, these are also available on their store. But let's get back to the unboxing. So the reason why I wasn't really originally planning on reviewing these is just due to the fact that I've already reviewed a bunch of the Origin Zaku's, and this is pretty much the same, just with some very minor differences. So that's why I thought I might as well just do them both together, just do a double unboxing, double review of these together. They came out right around the same time, and they're pretty much the same as the past kits, so we'll just take a look at them together. So first up, this one is 24. This is the Char's Zaku II. This is the red Comet version of the Zaku II here. So basically, this is like exactly what we got with the very first kit in the line, which is just Char's Zaku II, but it's got some different stickers and it's got a little bit different weapons loadout. So just here on the bottom of the box, you can see that not only does this come with the bazooka, and I believe this does also come with the long rifle, the anti-ship rifle. Yeah, it does also come with that as well. But this one also comes with the regular Zaku machine gun, where the original kit unfortunately didn't include that, which was kind of strange. So we got a pretty full weapons loadout for this, and yeah, like I said, a new design for the stickers if that's something that you're into as well. We just got a little bit of information there, and then over here just more about the Origin episode 6. Going back around to the top of the box, you can see some action poses there with it has both versions of the machine gun as well, the belt-fed machine gun and just the regular Zaku machine gun there, it looks like. And it has the bazooka, the heat hawk, the anti-ship rifle, and then the usual hand options, and then the new sticker markings for this. So this one, no list price for this. I believe this was 2,100 yen, I want to say. If I was wrong, if I'm wrong about that, I'll let you guys know. And I actually think that this might be in slightly different colors than the original kit, the first one that came out in the line as well. I think the reds are maybe a little bit different, but we'll take a look at that in the review anyway. Here we got the manual with just that cool box art there on the front. No, the box art is very awesome, I'll give it that. I mean, the kit may not really offer a whole lot new, but the box art is pretty amazing, as always. So there we got on the bottom just some more information about that. And I noticed on the outside of the box too, when I was just taking a look at that, that it said that it's the definitive version of Char's Zaku II. And I think that definitely is just kind of the best way to sum up this kit. If you wanted a definitive version, if you haven't got any other version of Char's Zaku II, then this is definitely the definitive version, I guess. So we just got a little bit of information about the different weapons and things in the backpack here at the bottom. And then also down here, kind of interesting thing about the Follower unit. So it says Char's Follower unit consisted of the Type C5 and C-6 Zaku II units customized from the Type C, and was led by Char's Type S. So the C5 was the one that already came out last year or something like that, and then now the other one that we got here new is also the C6, so you can make the Follower unit, I guess, with these new kits in the unit, with these new kits in the line. So the color guide there is down at the bottom, as well as the sticker guide there. You can see all of that. And then the guide is going to be pretty much the same as usual. According to the parts list here, you will have a few parts left over, but otherwise there's nothing really new in this kit. There are a couple new parts in the C6 R6 version, so we'll take a look at the runners for that. But as far as the runners go for this, it's nothing we haven't seen before, so I don't think we really need to go through the runners in particular for that. Just real quick though, here is a look at the sticker sheet for this. So again, no foil stickers for like the mono eye or the camera, so this is just all sticker decals, and you can see it's relatively minimal, just a few lines on there, the big A12 logo, some nice Xeon logos there, like the Char's logo, and then just a few caution markings, so really not a whole lot, it's not very extensive. Alright, now as for the Type C6 Z-6/R6 here. Again, really amazing box art there on the front. It looks fantastic. The Zaku is looking great. So this one also has some new special markings for it, but also does actually come with a few new parts with this one. So just going on to the side, this one is number 25 in the line, whereas Char's was number 24. On the bottom, you can just see a front and back view of that, including the new pieces there for the chest. And then just, again, same information there about the Origin episode 6, and then a little bit there about the Zaku. Going on to the top, so you can see that this one as well comes with a large variety of weapons. We have the anti-ship rifle, the bazooka, the heat hawk, and the Belfab machine gun. I'm not sure if this comes with just the regular machine gun though, but here you can see some of the new parts highlighted over here. Body unit, we have this new parts for the chest that has just the single Gatling gun in it like that, and then new parts for the shoulder that has this kind of, I guess, gimmick where it just has the one spike, and then the front and back spikes are removed on that, I guess. So then it does have some special markings here, which you can see, including some stars for the head. So they're like Xeon logo that goes on the front of the head, I guess, and then this cool logo there that goes on the front skirt. Alright, so let's check out this. So here's the marking stickers. You got just some options here for the numbers, whether you want to do 101, 102, 103, 104, or 105. You got a few different sizes for those, and then Xeon logo markings, and then some markings there for the cameras and the mono eye, and then just some caution markings there up at the top. So just to highlight the new parts here, we got the new chest part that is added onto the B1 runner. Let's just add it up here in the corner so you can see the detail of the Gatling gun, of course, in there, looking very nice. The other new part for the chest to make up for the Gatling gun there is also added onto here. This would be added onto runner A2 in this dark green. So you have a few different options actually for the chest. It looks like you'll have like the same chest that you could make with like the double Gatling guns in there. That'd be the same as the Char's type one, and then you have just the regular chest parts here without any of those at all, and you have the new chest part here added onto the bottom. And then added on to runner E1 here over in the corner, we have those two new parts for the front and back half of the new shoulder armor. And so that's pretty much everything that's really new with the kit as far as I know at the moment. I don't think there was anything else new about it. If there is though, I'll let you guys know in the review, of course. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. Nothing really too much else to point out if you've seen the reviews on any of the past versions of these. But of course, even though there's not really a whole lot new about them, these kits are still really fantastic kits. I really like these a lot. I really enjoy building them, and they're just really nice kits. So definitely worth checking out, even though there's not really a whole lot much new there. If you guys do still have any other further questions or comments about these, of course, feel free to leave those down in the comment section below. But thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I'll see you in the review coming up soon. Bye bye.